If you feel like you're working way too hard in your 3D printing business for the amount of money you're making, I can help. 3D printing has huge potential right now. There's no question about that. But have you been struggling to unlock its ability to make serious income for you in a way that adds real value to the world without working you to death? Well, in this video today, I want to open your eyes to the 3 secrets behind how to find, create, and sell profitable, low competition, and in-demand 3D printed products. In fact, what if you could add $10,000 per month of net profit to your business without needing a workshop loaded with 3D printers, without needing to work endless hours being ghosted on quotes, or having to jump on the low margin, trending, useless products bandwagon? Let's dive right in. Hi, I'm Ed Tyson. I'm an entrepreneur and founder of the Institute of 3D Printing. I've scaled multiple physical product-based businesses to 6 and 7 figures. After being in the 3D printing space for 6 years and being featured in 3D printing online publications such as 3dprint.com, All3DP, and 3D Printing Industry, just to name a few, I now consult for other small and medium-sized businesses, as well as running the Institute of 3D Printing alongside my trusted team. So listen, if you're looking to grow and scale your business incorporating 3D printing, I know I can help you. Just like I've helped countless others in the same position. Look, I hate how I have to do this. Dozens of my clients have used my system to dramatically increase sales of their 3D printed products or find new, more profitable ones to build their wealth, all while bypassing many of the obstacles and struggles that I encountered. Just imagine creating your own products the world genuinely needs and appreciates, and building a 6-figure income in a business around that, where you love what you do every day and where you are well respected and making an impact. Imagine having a consistent business that brings in $8,000 to $20,000 a month without working crazy hours or adding stress, creating financial security and freedom that you and your family deserve. This isn't just possible, it's probable when you run your business in the right way, and I would love to show you how. In fact, there are 3 core secrets I want to share with you for finding, creating, and selling highly profitable, low competition, in-demand 3D printed products. Unfortunately, I just don't have time to cover everything in this short video. The good news is I'm hosting a free live training where not only will I cover these 3 core secrets in detail, but I'll also reveal the optimal printing for profit formula that lets you unlock up to $3,000 per month profit per printer, even on $300 machines. Plus, you'll discover 3 key problems preventing your business from that 6-figure profitability, and our 3 simple solutions to tearing down those walls. And once you understand how these seemingly small changes to your business can dramatically increase the amount of winning products you can sell and find more customers who actually decide to buy your stuff, your profits will skyrocket. You'll also discover how to build momentum, to create consistent revenue, and put an end to those feast or famine months in your business once and for all. Sound good? Then all you have to do is click the link you see here now, and you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Then enter your name and your email, and you'll have saved your seat for the live training shortly. It's that simple. Look, you and I know the way to grow a 3D printing business isn't like other businesses, and the general business advice out there just won't cut it for businesses like ours. Using our time-tested formula will make it quick and easy for you to find those higher profit products, cutting your printing time in half and doubling your profits, often far more. And you'll never need to worry about competition, having a website, or needing a room full of new printers unless you want them. My 3D printing business methods will give you an unfair advantage over your competition. Don't let even one more day pass where you are needlessly struggling in your 3D printing business, working yourself to death for tiny profits. There's a new way. So, what are you waiting for? That's my Arnie impression. Click the link to secure your seat. There's a limit on the software you were using, so don't sleep on this. You'll be glad you did.